Hey y'all, it's your girl Koya, and today's video is going to be on how I straighten my hair. If you all are interested in watching how I get this sexy, sleek look, then you all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna start by brushing my hair out, and I've clipped my leave out right here. Alright y'all, so this is my hair freshly washed and installed. I installed my own hair. It's almost 4 bundles. I didn't quite use the whole entire 4th bundle, but it's almost 4 bundles. So I've clipped out my leave out, and so now I'm just going to blow dry my hair just to get it straight. So now I'm going to take this blow dryer by Red Pro, y'all. I got this blow dryer from the beauty supply store. It's fairly inexpensive, y'all, and it didn't come with the nozzle. I bought the nozzle separately. It was about $5, and I like this nozzle because you don't have to use like a brush while you're blow drying it. You can just comb it out with the nozzle. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, and that just helps it to get even straighter. So one thing I want to tell you all is that when you're blow drying your hair, you want to make sure you pull on your hair to try to put tension on it so that it can get straight. Also, you want to try to move on the shaft of your hair kind of slowly so the blow dryer can help get it straight. So once you do start using the flat irons, that you won't have to do so many passes. That's the purpose of the blow dryer, so you won't have to do so many passes once you do start flat ironing your hair. Clip this side, and then you want to take small sections, because the smaller the section you take, the straighter your hair gets. So what I like to do, y'all, is use this serum by Paul Mitchell. It's called the Paul Mitchell Smoothing Serum, and it just gets my hair super silky, y'all. Like, it lays it soft, it gives it a light shine, and it's not a heavy product. So I just love this product. I'm gonna take this tension brush that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna take my Babyliss flat irons, y'all, and I have it set to 410 degrees. And then I'm gonna place my flat iron before my tension brush, and I'm just gonna slide down my hair. And that's just one pass, y'all. Usually I like to do more than one pass. I'm gonna do one more pass because I like for it to get super silky. Glide down my hair again one more time, and that's with 2 passes. And then y'all will be able to see like a better look at it once I'm done with like a bigger section of my hair. So I'm just gonna move on to another section of my hair. Again, you want to take a small section of your hair, clip the rest back up, and I take this serum, y'all. I take a dot of it and put it on each section of my hair. That's how I get it to be really silky and have that pretty shiny finish. So I take did I say show? I meant to sew. Rub it in my hands, and then I smooth it all the way down the shaft of my hair. You really want to make sure you focus a lot of that serum at the ends of your hair, because sometimes the ends of your hair can be a little bit brittle. So you want to make sure you put it all over your hair, making sure that it gets evenly distributed. Take that tension brush and then just glide all the way down your hair. Then I'm gonna do one more pass. Like I said, I do 2 passes. You can do 1 pass and that'll be enough, but I'm extra, so I like to do 2 passes. Brush it out with my tension brush. And y'all, it's super, super soft, y'all. Super soft. So now, y'all, I'm just gonna probably speed up the video now until I get to this side or closer to the top. Yeah, because I think y'all pretty much get it at this point. So I'm gonna speed through the rest of this video. So yeah, I just want to show y'all this side. Got a lot of shine and it moves. And I'm just going to, y'all, yeah, look at that. Look at that, y'all. This stuff here, this stuff is the truth, y'all. Make sure y'all go get y'all some, man. Y'all see that shine? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to finish up this side. So y'all, this is my hair after I finished flat ironing this side. Like I said, I still got my leave out to go, but this is this side, y'all. So y'all, now it's time to blend that leave out. I've already blow dried my leave out already. So I sprayed some It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In conditioner on it, and I blow dried it. And now I'm just going to clip this part of my hair back so I can sort of straighten my my edges, so that once I lay my edge control on it, it'll lay a lot more sleeker. So I'm gonna take these small babyless flat irons, y'all, and I think I got these from Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got them from Ulta. So I'm gonna spray my edges first with some of that It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. It serves as a heat protectant too, y'all, so it's fine to spray it on there while your hair is dry, while it's wet. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with these flat irons. work in sections, like I said, because you want to make sure that that your hair gets as straight as possible. So once again, I'm gonna go in with this Care y'all, the Care wax stick, and then I'm just going to put it all over the shaft of my leave out. Okay, so then I'm just gonna brush it out so that I know that it got all over my hair. And then I'm just gonna take my flat irons and get this way so y'all can see. Then I'm gonna brush it in. Then I'm gonna do one more pass. And then I'm gonna take the Care once more, and I'm gonna add an extra dab of it in my hair. And then I'm gonna brush it in. And y'all can see how it blended in with my hair just fine. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side, y'all, right here. I'm gonna do the same thing, put the Care all over the shaft of my hair and the roots. Lay them flyaways down, y'all. Brush it. Take that flat iron. And y'all can use the chase method if y'all want to. I usually don't really use the chase method really with my leave out. I know it'll probably get it a lot more sleeker, but I don't know, I just don't do it. Brush it. Lay it down one more time with that Care. And I'm just dabbing it on. I'm not rubbing it in really hard because it's like, I guess it's some waxy type stuff, so you don't want to weigh your hair down a lot. So I'm gonna brush it in. And that's this side, y'all, compared to this side. If y'all can see, let me turn the camera. Yeah. So this is this side, y'all. It's blended. Y'all can see how the Care does the trick versus this side. So I'm going to finish up this side, y'all, in the back of my hair, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and laid down my edges, and I finished the other side of my leave out. So now what I'm going to do is take some of this High Sheen Glossifier by Care, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it, and I'm going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm just going to place it on the top of my leave out just to add some extra shine and lay down some flyaways. And then I'm going to take, this is also some oil sheen, y'all, and I think it's by Coconut and Manoy. It's called something similar to that, y'all. I can't remember the exact name, but I'm going to spray some of that in my hand. And I'm going to also place that on top of that. I like for my hair to be really shiny, y'all, because it makes it look like it just came from this hair salon, honey. All right, so I'm brushing in. And that is it, y'all. This is how I straighten my weave, y'all. That's how I get this slayage, y'all. Do a little shake for y'all. All right, y'all. So once again, it's your girl Koya, y'all. I'm out this piece, y'all. And y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my videos.